Shwmae pawb, enw I yw Siriol, a dwi'n gweithio fel cydlynydd datblygu cwricwlwm I Addysg Oedolion Cymru. Our WSOL course is a new development for Adult Learning Wales, and we piloted it through our AMIF project, which is a specialist integration project for refugees and third country nationals in Wales. The course covers practical, everyday Welsh, finding out how to order in a cafe, how to talk about the weather, so basic conversation. The course was piloted online for 13 weeks with myself as teacher, and then that was followed by a second online course and ran for 16 weeks. I'm a Welsh learner, as you can probably tell, but it was actually a really nice opportunity for me to develop my language through teaching it to the learners. And we've now rolled out a second course with our lovely Welsh teacher, Sharon Warren.
Normally Welsh language tutors use English as the basis to deliver the Welsh language courses, especially for beginners. But that's not always possible with WSOL learners. But what is nice about these learners is that they help each other. So if there's something one doesn't understand, they'll speak in their own language to help each other within the class, and that's lovely to see.
So I'd just like now to take the chance to introduce you to some of our learners who are just going to talk about their experiences of learning Welsh with us. So I'll leave you in their capable hands.
Bryn Honda, first of all, Zach Dewey, doing byw Caerdydd, and I'm 26 years old, doing dwd Saudi Arabia.
Tatiana Dewey, dwi'n gweithio mewn Prifysgol Caerdydd, dwi'n mwynhau cysgu Cymru.
My name is Noura Al-Dagestani. Originally I'm from Iraq. I was born in Swansea 44 years ago and I came back 4 years ago.
My name is Intisar. I live in Cardiff. I'm from in Iraq.
I am Kanan. I live in Aberkan. I moved in here 2 years ago. I am from Turkey.
I really love Welsh people, so I believe that I could give them my solidarity and express my love by learning their language.
I was interesting. I want to learn because how can I say the place name or other thing, and when I go to shop, I heard some words, but I didn't understand.
People were so welcoming and it was so nice to come here, so I just felt that I have to.
As I live in a country, speak English and Welsh, so that will help me. Maybe if I want to find a job, some jobs asking for Welsh language, to contact with people maybe sometimes, to help my son in his Welsh studies maybe if he needs me, so why not?
No, I don't know before Welsh.
Actually, first I heard about it when I started to fill out the application for work. And then it was a question, do you speak Welsh, do you read Welsh? Are you planning to learn Welsh? And I said, probably yes, I will.
Not at all. I don't have any idea that Welsh have their own language.
I was surprised that there are other languages in the UK, like Welsh and Scottish.
I enjoyed because not easy. But now I read place name, or sometimes I understand. It's nice.
Pronouncing Welsh language, it's easy for me because my other language is Arabic. So the kh sound, it's not that much. It's easy for me. So most of the words in Welsh language, I feel that I pronounced it before.
It has like a special tone and unique letters as well.
Doing Addysg Cymru, Bob this with Duolingo up. Because I started to understand words around on signs, I started to understand name of the places, streets.
Customer Johnny, when he came this area, we practiced together. For example, Boreda or Sidekhi and Shumai.
I have struggled with the social anxiety and stuff like that, so I couldn't join with other peoples without reason. Like, I felt like I'm a bit on my comfort zone. So when I've started learning Welsh, I started asking people, oh, do you speak Welsh, or like that, and open the, break the ice and open the conversation. So yeah, that's helped me a lot, especially here in Cardiff.
I hope so, and on very first possibility, I will definitely do. I will definitely do it. Listen and read, and the most important thing, to speak.
Because some online is difficult, sound or sometimes is not here, or internet is not working. If I find face-to-face, I want to learn more.
Absolutely. I want to stop learning Welsh until I master it.
Yes, Addysg Cymru.
Ciddechi Oedolion.
Yeah, I have gwych. That's me great.
Te, because I like tea.
Unco vonco. I love it. I think it's a special tone, So yeah, I really love it.
Actually, a lot of people here, especially the non-British people or the refugee people, they need to learn at least the basic of this language, because they almost all of them live like not inside the big cities in Wales. They live on the countryside, and most of the countryside people talk in Welsh language more than the center. So it's helpful if we encourage them to come and learn Welsh. Why not?